Easiyo Natural and Flavored Yogurt Sachet Packing Machine is manufactured by Shanghai Fubo Machine Company. Our yogurt pouch packaging machines are perfectly adapted to different yogurt sizes, ranging from 30 milliliters to 100 milliliters. The entire process, from filling to sealing, is seamless, ensuring each pouch is fresh and hygienic, making your product a mobile health station in your consumer's pocket. This machine can accomplish forming bag, measuring, material filling, sealing, counting, date code printing, all the work automatically. The PLC controller has advantages, such as adjust length of the bag, the output alarm, speed, and quantity can control by switch. This machine can be installed to code printed for 1 to 3 lines characters such as production date and expiry date according to your requirement.